Hi, I'm Paul Oster, founder and president of Better Qualified LLC. We are credit experts. I'd like to talk to you today about your credit. You may recognize me. Recently, I've been featured on most of the major networks, ABC, CBS, NBC, and I'm a regular guest on Fox Business News. Better Qualified has been in business since 2006. We've built a staff of dedicated people that have been helping folks improve their credit scores. They care about you and they care about your credit. Let me take you through our process. We offer a free credit consultation and credit analysis. This is the most important part of what we do for folks. This is where we're going to identify exactly how we can help you improve your credit scores.